In our last episode, we decoded berberine, the locksmith that forces glucose into the cell. So now, the fuel is in. But what happens next? You can pour all the gasoline in the world into a car, but if the engine is broken, you go nowhere. Your fatigue remains. This is a mitochondrion. You were told in high school it's the powerhouse of the cell. This is a vast understatement. This is a 2 billion-year-old quantum engine. You have quadrillions of them. They take the glucose from E1 and turn it into ATP. ATP is the actual physical currency of energy. It's what powers your brain. But this engine has a fatal flaw. The process of making energy, creates a toxic exhaust. We call this exhaust free radicals, or oxidative stress. A free radical is like a tiny, ricocheting bullet, damaging everything it touches. And its favorite target, is the engine that made it, the mitochondria itself. This is the energy leak. Damaged mitochondria become leaky. They burn fuel inefficiently. They produce less energy and more toxic exhaust. This is the core of brain fog. This is the mechanism of aging. Your engines are failing, but the SomaCodex is not about accepting failure. It's about engineering a solution. The solution is not to repair these old leaky engines. The solution is to signal the body to build brand new ones. This process is called Mitochondrial Biogenesis, building new power plants. And you trigger it with 3 hormetic commands. Command 1, the good. Stress hormesis. Your body builds new engines only when it thinks it's under threat. We must shock the system. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, cold exposure, like a cold shower, heat exposure, like a sauna. These shocks send a panic signal. We need more power. And the body responds by building new, pristine mitochondria. Command 2, the premium fuel, nutrition. You can't build a new engine without parts. Mitochondria require specific nutrients. Coenzyme Q10, magnesium, and polyphenols, the bright colors in berries, green tea, and dark chocolate. These are the raw materials for the new factory. Command 3, the cleanup crew, autophagy. Binas down, you must clear out the old leaky engines to make space for the new. Power. By fasting, as we learned in E1. Fasting activates a process called autophagy, where your body literally eats its own damaged parts, including leaky mitochondria. You clear the junk, then you build the new. This is the system. You don't just fix the fuel problem, E1. You fix the engine problem, E3. This is how you stop leaking energy, and start building it. We have secured the fuel, E1. We have optimized the fuel lines, E2. We have rebuilt the power plants, E3. But what about the control room, the master computer that runs the entire system? In our next episode, we move from the cell to the brain. We decode the chemicals of focus, mood, and motivation. Subscribe and continue the decode.